Oh, let's take a trip up the stock market. Everything is gonna go perfectly well. Oh, until I hit this stair and I done, Jesus, what is that? Another? It's 55 stairs in one. I done fell, but it's all good. It is all good because the stock market still goes up, even though you had a little trip. Yeah. What up, YouTubers? It's your boy EK. Today I'm gonna talk about the difference between investing and a trader. Like I just been getting a lot of I guess confusion between the two, and I want to try to help you guys out, throw some jury out there so y'all can pick that up, wipe it off because it hit the ground if it got a little dusty on it. But anyway, but yeah, I want to try to help you guys start your, I don't know, like your investing life or your trader life. They're both awesome, but they both are totally different. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about that in this video today. If you get a chance, throughout this video, you feel like the information is okay, please like this video. It helps your boy out tremendously. And if you want to follow me, hit the notification bell and stuff like that, so you can follow me to 100K. I just recently hit my milestone a little while back of 10K. So yeah, let's get into it. I just want to talk to y'all. I just want to talk, you know what I'm saying? Just chop it up right quick. So, but yeah, so, I was in my, Clubhouse, with one of my homies from the hometown and stuff like that. And, this question came up of, like investing and stuff like that. So, and how to invest, when should I invest and stuff like that. And, so before you get to that point, you got to figure out what you want in the market, because investing has a different approach and trading has a different approach. And what I see in the world of, well, not in the world, but in my world, when it comes to, my journey in, to 100K, is a lot of people intertwine the two. They kind of get them mixed in together, because they're looking at high rewards, low risk, and that doesn't add up. Or they're looking at low risk and they're thinking about it being very high returns, which is possible, but depending on which lane you take or what avenue you get into, it's a different approach. So you have to approach things differently. So like when it comes to, first of all, let's talk about coming in. Once you figure out you want to get in the market, you need to understand who you are as a person. I know that's kind of cliche, but you kind of do. You got to understand what risk you can take, what stuff you can stomach, because it's going to be losses in the market. So you got to be able to stomach those losses. And they're going to be gains. Everybody knows, everybody, happy about the gains. The gains are, evident, because, the stock market goes up over time. So, what I want to try to, draw the line between is, investing and a trader, because, traders, they trade in the market, but that's not investing. A trader has, in my mind, has no like pulse when it comes to risk or whatever. Like it doesn't bother them. The risk doesn't bother them as much. So, and in a trader's life, in my opinion, they are in and out of trades, quickly to try to turn a profit. And if you're getting in the market and you're looking to get a profit like that, then you definitely need to like, if you're a trader, you have to have some type of cash to trade these, day trade these stocks or whatever you're trading, and like to make a profit. And then in that sense, you have to learn it. It's still a skill set that you have to learn anyway. So but with trading, there's high rewards. Like, you can definitely make a lot of money. You can make anywhere from 100 to 100K in one day, you know, and that's awesome. But that's, you know, that's a trader's life. It's steps, it's charts. People study, you know, they still study the stock. They still study what the business is doing, or if it's a penny stocks, or if penny stock, you know, what type of penny stock this is, and the volatility between that penny stocks, the candlesticks. So it's not just, oh, I'm gonna trade, I'm gonna throw some money in there, I'm gonna get a whole bunch of back out. It's still a skill set that has to be learned. So, which brings me to investing. Investing is, you know, longer periods of time holding. You know, you basically purchase and hold. It's not super sexy, I guess, or whatever. You know, if it's boring, that means you're doing a good job. That's just something I learned. That might not be for everybody, but yeah. But investing, you're looking to get gains over a longer period of time. You know, like, there's also something called a short. But if you're looking to be an investor, they tend to be long-term investing. So there's research that goes on in, you know, 10Ks that you have to get familiar with. You have to understand balance sheets and PE ratios and trailing PEs and stuff like that. And so to help you make your pick on a stock so that you can hold it for, you know, as for whatever, you know. But you're not depending on how much, like for me, and, you know, like, I don't have like 20K to put into one stock. So the gains that I see off of, you know, the stocks that I buy are definitely gonna be different, because I'm starting out. Like, I'm every week or every time I get paid, you know, I'll put something in there. Either I might put it into a, I don't know, index fund, or in a stock that I think is doing well, and then I'll just pick up, you know, gains from it and then buy something else, or, you know what I mean. So it's ways to kind of be like a trader when it comes to investing, but it's not practical. Like, it's not. They're two totally different. And it's no amount that you need to get started when it comes to investing, like, because there's stocks that are worth pennies. They're called penny stocks. So yeah, whenever you get ready to get in, if, you know, you're not in the market and you're watching this video, do some self-reflecting, man. See what type of investor or trader you are, because, like, both of them are beneficial, but they both are two different things that you need to understand that lane, so you can, you know, flourish in that area. Yeah, that's about all I got, man. I just wanted to, you know, chop it up with y'all right quick. Yeah. So yeah, that's hopefully that clears up a little bit, or a lot of it for you. It's your boy EK, man. I ain't got nothing going on right now today. I'm about to try to make some moves before the close. Got like 10 minutes, which is fine. That's a long time in the trading world. Well, not really, but for me that's a long time, because I've been doing stuff, you know, trying to make my moves, you know, calculate my move towards the end of the day anyway. Then it's the after hours trading that I can take advantage of anyway, which, if you get in the market, depending where you at the hours, it's going to be amazing, and it's something to know about. But yeah, it's your boy, man. I appreciate the time, especially made it this far in the video. I was just rambling, trying to throw some jewels at you. So but yeah, man, life is real, so live it. I'm out.